Hey everybody, this is Rich Herod, producer of the Northwest Outdoorsman. I'm here at Sportsman's Warehouse with Shane, and I'm getting ready to go walleye fishing. Shane, what do you got for me today?
Well, we got a lot of Mack's lures here, walleye pops. We got some slow def, does real good on the walleye. Got some ProCure super gel, drop a trophy walleye or night crawler on your bait and attracts them real well.
I'll probably take a whole bag of this stuff with me and head on down to the river. And be sure to tune in this fall and watch us put all this gear to use on an episode of the Northwest Outdoorsman. Come on down to Sportsman's Warehouse and get your supply today.